guys, May 9th, 2026, Saturday afternoon. I got a call from a customer that I've worked for many a times, and got a blocked toilet in the main bathroom. They want me to go out there today, so it's going to be more money going there on after hours on a weekend. I guess she does it. He's a doctor, a retired doctor, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. But anyway, I just let him know ahead of time, what the fee's going to be to go out there. I'll go out there, but it's not going to be cheap. So I'm going over there, and I guess she's been plunging it for hours. Her and her husband both tried plunging it, and they can't free it up. So maybe they're trying to ship bricks here in the toilet or something, or pushing down a flipping log from hell. I don't know. Hopefully I don't need to get another toilet for them. Usually I can get in there with my closet auger and snake it, loosen up whatever in there and get it to flush. Sometimes they drop something in there, it gets stuck in the toilet, and then you have to go in there and retrieve whatever's in there and get it out. Well, we'll see when I get over there. A bit too many times. There it goes. Yep. Big blob of shit. You see it right there. I'll clean out my flipping hot turd. Hell of a turd in there. What we got there? Yeah, it was a hard turd in there because when I got my snake, it was all blocked in the end of the snake. Okay. Shitting bricks.
Well, I guess that's what it is.
Need some.
I was out shopping and I came back and found the plunger sitting in there.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Okay.
Yeah, because when I snaked it, right, there was a big blob.
Okay. Alright. So hopefully that will do it, but...
Still in there.
It's still there?